Hi everyone, a weather impact alert, and this is going to be somewhat of an extended weathercast. I'm really not going to have a chance to answer many questions on Facebook. I'd still go ahead and ask those questions, but this should just be more of an extended weathercast looking at the upcoming days. We do have weather impact alerts for Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. There's potential, and this is the key here. The P word is a big thing here with the next few days. There's potentially some large hail, maybe some damaging winds, and potentially a tornado warning or two. I think the bigger impact when this is all said and done is going to be the heavy rain. But again, and that can cause some high water on some roadways. So I think that's what we'll really need to think about. But the need here over the next couple of days, just have more than one way to get warnings. You can have the CBS19 app. We send out warnings there, weather radio, friends. Maybe you have them call you if there's a warning in your neighborhood. Review your severe weather plan, where you're going in case a tornado warning was to be issued, and charge the extra batteries just in case you lose power. All right, so today, Storm Prediction Center expanded the enhanced risk all the way back almost into West Texas. That's a level 3 out of 5. That means numerous severe thunderstorms are, again, potentially possible in the area in orange. Notice I have a lot of sarcasm in my voice, and I'm going to tell you why here in just a second. I'll show you why. So we have a chance to see some hail in here and some gusty winds. There's a graphic, if you look on the weather or SPC site, that shows large hail. We've had this set up the last couple times already. It's just nothing's materialized. So I'm not even going to show it because right now it is what it is. It's just potential. There's no real threat. When we head into Thursday, we have a level 2 or a slight risk of severe weather over all of East Texas. All right. So you got to keep this in mind. When they put out these risks, sometimes they can go from Michigan to Abilene. That's what we're talking about here for this enhanced risk, okay? With a moderate risk here in the area in red. So there's the thunderstorm. This is tomorrow morning, 7 a.m. That's when that risk goes into effect. Here's Tyler. This is way out west of the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex. That storm goes by, moves up into the Arklatex. Yes, we could have a thunderstorm tomorrow morning. Yes, there could be a severe thunderstorm warning or two from Tyler to the north. Keep an eye out right here, though. This is where the activity is going to be tomorrow. Look at the storms blow up in that area in red. That is the area of concern Wednesday afternoon. Notice there's nothing down here Wednesday evening. Maybe an isolated severe thunderstorm. Then we head into Thursday morning. We still have all this activity through the Ohio River Valley. We get more thunderstorms that blow up along the front out in West Texas. They track east, and now we go from that enhanced risk to a slight risk on day 4. So this may get upgraded to an enhanced risk too. But heavier thunderstorms in central Arkansas, western Tennessee, right along the Red River Valley, they track up to the north. Thursday afternoon, I've seen just a couple of cells that could potentially spin a little bit, and I'll show you using future Skycast and more of a localized look at this, what I'm talking about. We go into Wednesday. Did you notice that thunderstorm came by? So Wednesday morning, 9:30. Oranges, usually when we see oranges on this, maybe some small hail, thunderstorm for sure, downpour for sure, right along the Interstate 20 corridor that lifts away. We get into the afternoon. It was very quick moving, almost developing showers and thunderstorms in our eastern counties. Probably the bigger severe weather threat, southwest Arkansas, northwest Louisiana. Then we go into Thursday. Here we go again. Thunderstorm riding along the Red River moves away. Now we get into one of these little cells here that pops up over East Texas about 3:30 Thursday afternoon. If they can get into an environment that would be supportive of a tornado, they could start spinning. But also notice all of the kind of showery, muddy atmosphere around it. So we may not get just enough heating or forcing to get anything really spinning. So maybe we get a hailer. Though when I see that feature there, this could be this one little supercell over toward Marion County that starts spinning as it goes into southwest Arkansas. Then a couple storms lifting north. So Thursday night up toward Camp County, up toward Cass County. They lift out of the area, and then we get into Friday. And so far, Friday is just too far out of reach for our in-house computer model. But Friday looks like it's a heavy rain day, Friday night into Saturday. Now, here's another version. This is called the high-resolution rapid refresh model. Okay, so this is one of these convective or thunderstorm-allowing models. So when we look at this, it's a pretty similar scenario. There's not much going on. There are some dying showers tomorrow morning close to Tyler. Maybe a stronger thunderstorm or two in the afternoon, as I pointed out with our in-house computer model. Then we get into Thursday, and this is only going to go out Thursday through 1 o'clock, but it just doesn't show much. So the key factor here, I think, is going to end up being heavy rain once we get into Friday and into Saturday. I think that's when the key amount of moisture is available. Still looking for the potential of 5 to 7 inches of rainfall, maybe up to 4 inches of rainfall near and north of Tyler. 3/4 of an inch to 1.5 inches of rainfall from deep East Texas up to about Interstate 20. So to recap this, Wednesday through Saturday, impacts are there potentially for hail and wind damage. Flooding, I think, is a real impact, more so, especially if we get 4 to 7 inches of rainfall in parts of the area. And what you need to do is download the CBS19 app, have your mobile device charged, ready to go, and have more than one way to get warnings. We'll see you at 5 o'clock for an update on CBS 19 News.